Hello everyone, Ada Salutu. Today na day 52 of Everyday Bible with Ada Ukabia. Na Leviticus chapter 24, 25, and you suppose don't read, then you go sit down and watch this video well. You don't subscribe, no forget to like the video and the ones we don't watch in the past, and please try to comment. Thank you. As we don't enter deep into the book of Leviticus, those we know they very strong in their faith go they get double mind. All the sacrifices, the instant death, the ultimate punishment, everything go they confuse some people or go they worry some people. I want to beg you at this time, please understand, say, these practices happen in the Old Testament. They try to give us details of the sacrificial system when they use animal offerings. At that time, they serve as a foreshadow. That is waiting Jesus go come represent later in the future. You remember I said Jesus now the ultimate sacrifice. All of these rules, all the regulations, all the strict instant judgment is still they fair and is still they just, because God don't really lay out the laws. He don't really lay out the rules and the people know. The book, they heavily emphasize on the idea of holiness, and that one they set God apart. They set the Israelites apart so that they would be dedicated to God. Even when we know, say, some of those laws, they outdated now, the underlying principles now of righteousness, justice, and compassion is still there applicable for the life we will live today to help us grow spiritually. Now, we can't see where half caste, half Egyptian, half Israeli enter wahala. And here we can't read for the first time, an eye for an eye, tit for tat, abi? As we switch from chapter 24, enter chapter 25, we see a flip side, the compassionate side of God. God, they provide, even in the year of rest. He telling people, say they no plant anything, but he still provide for them. Just the same way he provide for them when they're inside the wilderness. As long as they get faith in him and they stick to his regulation, he will always have provisions in abundance for them. Here, God, they provide a platform for social justice where people go show compassion and generosity. That system where God say make them practice during this period, now to give chance for economic equality and then offer a path, a road for redemption to those who don't fall back onto poverty and they no fit pay off their debts. Unfortunately, in our society, when they live as homeless people, you don't ever wonder why some countries, when they practice the religion, where would they practice? And they know they put profit or interest on top loan or debt. Those kind of countries, they flourish more than we get many churches for streets. One I think and deeply, because these are the basic principles of life. It get a lot to do with how you relate with your fellow human beings, neighborly love.